You know that feeling when luxury speaks your language? That's exactly what's coming on Lokhandwala Backroad, Andheri West. Kalpataru, a name that truly defines class, is coming up with stunning 3 and 4 BHKs along with penthouses and duplexes right here on the back road of Lokhandwala that truly elevates how Andheri lives. Because luxury isn't loud, it's effortless just like this. EOI now open, and trust me, the best ones won't wait. So to get priority access, please contact Property Finder on the above given number.